Good morning, guys. So today is the I don't know anymore. And I'm just going to finish my editing and upload my first vlog today. So I'm going to a coffee shop, do some editing, and then meet up with some friends later for lunch, or like a late lunch. So come with me and let's see how today goes. So one of the coolest things that I've really enjoyed about Kenya is actually their awesome cafe scenes. Like, they have such nice decor and just different themes going around in cafes, and I've absolutely loved the ones that I've visited. The only complaint that I have, I feel like their menus are really just too Western and does get kind of boring after some time, but I have enjoyed the cafe scene here in Nairobi. So after the cafe, I hanged out a little bit, and then I went to K1 Club to meet some friends. So K1 Club is actually just like a cool hangout place. Like, it's really cool. Again, really nice decor. And when you go on a good night or a good day, there's actually a lot of people and just a lot going on there. They usually have like a flea market on Sunday, so that would actually be a really good day to go there. And they have really good food. To be honest, I wouldn't try the nyama choma because I don't believe that it's nyama choma. It is something else, but otherwise they do have good food if you don't go there expecting nyama choma and the drinks. And make sure you go for happy hour, because happy hour is always bay. They have, I think you buy one and get another cocktail free during happy hour. And the music, oh my god, the music is bomb there. So we called in an early night and just went home like around 9 p.m, which was when the club was starting, but my friends had work, so yeah, we went home. Hi guys, so today I'm actually going to Maasai market. I saw people selling like sort of like related kind of stuff at YAYA Center, but someone told me that the prices were actually pricey there. So I want to go to Maasai market and check out some other stuff. I have been really obsessed with like earrings that I've been finding around. So I want to go to Maasai market and see if I'll find more stuff, more earrings, and just explore and see what they have to offer around. So come with me and see what they got, okay? So before going to the Maasai market, I wanted to check out this little Maasai market that they had set up at YAYA Center. It was on Thursday, and like what they were telling me is that they usually have like a few things set up there every month. So I would ask maybe a security guard and see like when they'd have it if you don't want to go to the real Maasai market. So they do have some cool stuff. The only thing that I will say, that things there are a little bit pricier. Actually, you know what, they're like double or triple the price that you'd find them at the Maasai market. So if you wanted to get a few things, I'd just go to the Maasai market. But if you're just getting one or two things, then buying it at YAYA Center is pretty okay as well. As you can see, they have really nice things, nice pieces, like kind of things that I want to get. So I just hanged out there for a little while, and then I went to the real Maasai market. Okay, so we finally made it to Maasai Market. This is the Maasai Market, and it's just right behind City Hall in CBD, which is like downtown Nairobi. And it's a really big market, so many stalls to go through. When you come, make sure you come in comfortable shoes and like clothes that you're not going to get too hot in, because it was a hot day. Like they have many amazing stuff. Like they have necklaces, like earrings, everything, clothing, shoes, like art pieces, pottery, like just so many things. And just make enough time to come and walk. By the way, Google lies, because I checked on Google and it says it's open every day. That is a lie. So this was actually on Sunday. And it's also, I found out it's open on Tuesday, but it's open in a different location. So make sure you're really careful, especially if you're going to meet up with a vendor. Just ask them like where they're going to be next, and so that you know and you don't end up going to the wrong place twice. Like I bought so many earrings, guys, like to the point where I'm even considering selling earrings now, because I just bought so many. There's just so many that I fell in love with. So many things, earrings, necklaces, like art, like seriously, don't be surprised if I just open a website soon. Because I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed, seriously. Like I am so obsessed. They have such amazing pieces there. But yeah, so after this I just went back home. I did a little bit of chilling, because the sun, I swear, just drains the heck out of me, and I can't do anything after. And this was like a midday sun, because when I went there it was around noon-ish. Yeah, the sun was hot. Hey guys, so today I'm going to this really super huge mall here in Kenya. I probably won't be able to get like a shot for all of it, but I'm sure I can find a shot on Google to show you guys how awesome it is. Well, it looks so pretty when I saw the pictures on Google, so I'm really going to check it out and just see how it is. It's a little bit far from where I'm staying, so it's kind of annoying, but I'm getting Uber as usual. I've been using Uber here the whole time, and it's been very convenient, and I've had really nice drivers, except for that one time that I went to downtown and I had a crazy driver. But I'm going there. It's like 580, which, like, for me, the price on Uber tells me how far a place is or how close it is. One thing I've also figured out about Uber is, like, depending on the time, if like Ubers are high on demand at that time, the price also go up. So keep that in mind when you're using Uber or when you're thinking of going some places. But this place definitely looks far. So I'm ready to sleep in the Uber. But I'm waiting for my Uber right now, and then we will get going. I'm definitely not allowed to film. I'm sure, like, I haven't even been there, but I know I'm definitely not allowed to film. But I got you. I got you. So I had actually walked inside this mall through Google Pictures and Google Videos. So I really just went there just to check it out and just to see what the hype is all about. To me, I found it to be really like a regular mall kind of thing, but it is nice, especially if you have kids, because they have so many things for children, and games and water sports and the Ferris wheel, or is it a merry-go-round, whatever you call it. I enjoyed my time. I had good food, and they have nice views. That's pretty much all I can say about the mall. But yeah, so this is it for this week, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if there's something else that you have questions about, or questions about Nairobi that I can answer, or I can ask some friends to answer for you. Other than that, thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you subscribe to the channel, by the way. So see you next time. Bye.